033 Aditya Birla Health.
The 6th annual InnoPac Pharma Confex and the 2nd edition of the India Packaging Awards brought together pharma packaging leaders and professionals under one roof to exchange ideas and knowledge and honor and felicitate companies for their excellence and innovations in the packaging industry. India Packaging Awards at these times.
You woke up too late. Don't be shocked now. Don't complain now. Don't blame the others now. Don't react. Preact. Alarm बजने से पहले जागो रे. A Tata Tea campaign in association with Network 18. Coming soon.
Brought to you by Tata Tea.
StoneX India, the world's only stone brand to put a true price tag on its marble.
This is TV 18 and you're watching CNBC TV 18. Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
The Indian pharmaceutical market size is expected to grow to $100 billion by 2025. By 2020, India is likely to be among the top 3 pharmaceutical markets by incremental growth and the 6th largest market globally in absolute size. The Indian packaging industry constitutes about 4% of the global packaging industry, making it a crucial factor in India's pharma growth story. Keeping in view the importance of this sector and business opportunity, UBM India and CPHI conferences organized the 6th annual InnoPac Pharma Confex on 1st and 2nd June in Mumbai. UBM India's initiative to organize this 2-day conference ensured the continuous engagement of audiences, speakers and exhibitors through various networking and marketing initiatives. InnoPac Pharma Confex has established itself as a premier platform for pharma packaging professionals to congregate, network, exchange ideas and knowledge, and form future alliances and share the future of the pharma packaging industry all under one roof. The conference saw over 50 exhibitors showcasing their innovations in packaging and displaying products to the delegates. Over 1,400 delegates and key decision makers from the pharma packaging industry attended this mega event discussing the challenges and solutions in pharmaceutical packaging. The inaugural session commenced with a lamp lighting ceremony by the chief guest, the guest of honor and dignitaries. Yogesh Mudras, the Managing Director of UBM India, presented his welcome address at the 6th annual InnoPac Pharma Confex, followed by the guest of honor, Dr. N.C. Saha, Director and Principal Executive Officer, Indian Institute of Packaging, who spoke on the topic Packaging of Pharmaceutical Trends and Innovation.
My pleasure now to welcome Mr. Ravi Uday Bhaskar, Director General, Pharmaceuticals Export Promotion Council of India, for his guest of honor address.
If you go back to 1947, we used to produce only drugs worth of 10 crores. In 1980, it was 1,500 crores. In 2015-16, we're almost 16.89 billion US dollars. It clearly indicates that there is a significant growth as far as pharma exports are concerned. Our exports are more than our domestic production. If you see the top 20 global generic companies, 7 are from India, and 30% of ANDAs approved in 2016 by US FDA are from India. It shows that India is playing a very significant role. In the coming years also, India is going to be a very big force as far as exports are concerned. The entire world is looking at India. The strongest economies like US is importing almost 35% of generics from India. I once again wish the conference a huge success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Bhaskar. It is now my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Rita Teotia, Secretary, Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, to address all of us.
As we go forward, and packaging has always been the twin, if I may say, or the brother of the pharmaceutical and biotech industry. But as we look at the newer developments in the pharmaceutical sector and in the biotech sector and the new methods of drug delivery, the most important thing is going to be for the packaging industry to be equally as innovative, as inventive, and to work in absolutely close partnership with the pharmaceutical industry. And it is in that sense that events like this are so significant. While I appreciate that we are just modifying and adapting to the packaging requirements of global markets, I think the real issue which my department has been championing, and I think that we will continue to do, is to talk continuously about standards across the industry. And I talk about standards not just because we have to have credibility in the global marketplace. I think that's important. It's not the only thing. I think we owe those standards to the very large domestic market, to our own consumers who deserve to have products of the highest quality. And therefore, I would say that as we look at, it's inevitable. If somebody has to export their goods to India, they must meet our standards. But do we have the standards that are requisite? There is a need for Indian standards. And while we are working very hard on product standards, we are not doing enough on the packaging standards. Dr. Saha has heard this from me many, many times before also. And I think that this particularly is not something that has got to be government driven. It is not something that has to be driven by an institution like the Institute of Packaging. It has to be driven only, and only I must say, by the industry. I wish you all the very best, and I do hope that your discussions will be productive. Thank you.
The conference also saw many industry stalwarts, experts, national and international speakers representing the packaging industry, discussing innovation, products, challenges and solutions in pharmaceutical packaging.
अब घर घर दस्तक देगी खुशहाली भारत के सबसे तेजी से बढ़ते हुए बैंक के साथ। बंधन बैंक, आपका भला सबकी भलाई।
The homepage for India's most influential, India's most authoritative web address, featuring our definitive lists, cutting-edge entrepreneurial ideas, and sharp business and financial analysis. ForbesIndia.com, influencing the influential.
ब्रो, अब इंडिया हुआ है आइडिया 4G पे हुक।
लुक आइडिया 4G पे देखो इंडिया हुआ हुक। लुक हाँ लुक अरे चेन्नई में मूड किया दिल्ली की चाट का, जयपुर में दर्शन हुआ शिरडी के संत का। वेटिंग में लुक आइडिया 4G पे देखो इंडिया हुआ हुक। लुक हाँ लुक
इंडिया हो गया है आइडिया 4G पे हुक। आइडिया 4G, इंडिया जितना बड़ा नेटवर्क।
Here gravity and physics don't call the shots, and sound travels slower than you. This is a different kind of place. That's why we're looking for different kind of people, for whom excellence is not a job, but a way of being, be it in the sky or on the ground. We are looking for an invincible team of invincible people. People who are a cut above.
Join the Indian Air Force to be a cut above.
हमारा सवाल, अगर इंतजार एक नंबर होता तो क्या होता?
My daughter lives in the US. I haven't seen my grandson for last 4 years.
मेरा बीकॉम का परसेंटेज तो है मेरे पास, बस अब अच्छी नौकरी का इंतजार।
ये मेरा बीपी है अभी, और अब मुझे नॉर्मल जिंदगी का इंतजार है।
दिस इज माय सैलरी, और ये मेरी वाइफ का हॉस्पिटल बिल। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर मिरेकल।
इंतजार ज्यादा हो तो जिंदगी रुक सी जाती है, इसलिए अगर आपको डायबिटीज जैसी बीमारी हो तो बिना इंतजार पाइए पूरी देखरेख। कॉल 1-800-103-1033 फॉर हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर। जब जल्द से जल्द अच्छी सेहत होगी तब जिंदगी बेहद होगी। आदित्य बिरला हेल्थ।
StoneX India, the world's only stone brand to put a true price tag on its marble.
UBM India also hosted the second edition of the India Packaging Awards, which recognize, inspire and felicitate excellence and innovation in the packaging industry. These awards showcase the achievements of pioneers from the Indian packaging industry to the global fraternity. Here are the major highlights from that event.
We are here to recognize the efforts made in the pharma packaging innovators, the award celebration and the think tanks. Of course, I'd also like to congratulate each and every one of you who's been a part of the nominees. To welcome each one of you personally, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Yogesh Mudra's Managing Director, UBM India.
We are proud to bring you back the second edition of India Packaging Awards presented by Acupack, India's first and only pharma packaging awards. These awards are being held on the occasion of the 6th edition of InnoPack Pharma. The overwhelming response that we have received for this conference has been really stupendous. We have over 1,400 registered delegates for this conference with more than 50 exhibitors. This conference has been growing year on year just because of the support of exhibitors and visitors and delegates like you. Thank you for that. The India Packaging Awards is a unique initiative of UBM India to honor and recognize the innovations and excellence in the India pharma packaging industry. The awards will celebrate the thinkers and the creators who break new grounds in the packaging industry. This evening will witness industry champions coming on one single platform to cheer up the masterminds, and will comprise of presentations by industry leaders, stalwarts, entertainment acts, and with the awards and recognition ceremony to follow. This year, we have received a response which has been stupendous from various pharmaceutical companies across India in 7 different categories. The number of nominations which we have received is 40% more than last year. The jury had a really tough time. Those who have put in their nominations, a special dose of luck for this evening, and also offer my heartiest congratulations for the winners in advance. I'm sure you'll enjoy this evening as much as we at UBM India have enjoyed in putting this all together for you. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.
Please put your hands together as I welcome Mr. Shehul Sheh, Director, Acupack.
Here I represent Acupack on behalf of my team. We are partnering with UBM from last 2 years for the India Pharma Packaging Awards, and The machines are designed in Europe and manufactured in India. The idea is to give the industry, the Indian industry and the continent the best features available in a packaging machine. Moving forward, I would like to talk to you about a concept, an idea which we had launched last year. Now this has been running with several companies in India. We are talking about a unified digital tool that empowers you with operational intelligence. Typically in a pharma company, if there are, let's say, 10 compression lines, 10 packing lines and 5 secondary packing lines, we are talking about 5,000 to 8,000 or maybe more drawings. To deal with drawings, at present everybody has it physically maintained in different forms, but Plexus helps you to maintain everything in an electronic format, so you can recall whatever you want the way you want. Simple 4-step implementation program. We just study your data and compile it. We undo the data entry and validation for you. We help you train and do the hand-holding with your team. And finally, we give you an implementation validation with an MIS report which Plexus gives you. We help you also to understand the cost savings in terms of money as well as time. Finally, I thank you and thank UBM and all of you to give us this platform to explain our products. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now about to introduce to you the man who heads this business. Please put your hands together as I welcome on stage Mr. Vineet Bagadia, Group Head, UBM India.
As we take this evening forward and announce the winners of India Packaging Awards 2017, I would like to share very briefly the outline how we achieved and arrived at tonight's winners. We initiated the campaign around 2.5 months ago by seeking nominations from the pharmaceutical industry and received 150 plus nominations. I would like to add this is over 40% over the previous year's edition and includes some of the leading pharma companies from across the country. These nominations were then carefully examined and selected by our esteemed jury panels. The panel met on 23rd of May at Sahara Star, Mumbai, along with our process advisors EY, where they deliberated on each qualified nominations in detail before proceeding to give independent scores based on their experience. The scores given by each jury member were then tabulated by EY to determine final winners. I would like to congratulate all the winners and thank you all for joining us and congratulating them today. Thank you.
The award ceremony evening witnessed an entertainment act performed by renowned dance group, businessman turned stand-up comedian Atul Khatri added the laughter quotient to the award ceremony.
अब घर घर दस्तक देगी खुशहाली भारत के सबसे तेजी से बढ़ते हुए बैंक के साथ। बंधन बैंक, आपका भला सबकी भलाई।
ब्रो, अब इंडिया में लोग मक्खी नहीं मारेंगे क्योंकि इंडिया हुआ है आइडिया 4G पे हुक। लुक
आइडिया 4G पे देखो इंडिया हुआ हुक। लुक अरे चेन्नई में मूड किया दिल्ली की चाट का, जयपुर में दर्शन हुआ शिल्पी के संत का। वेटिंग में लुक खाते हुए पकाते हुए चबाते हुए भगाते हुए पर मचा चूरू गारू देखो गुरु। लुक आइडिया 4G पे देखो इंडिया हुआ हुक। लुक हाँ लुक
इंडिया हो गया है आइडिया 4G पे हुक। लुक आइडिया 4G, इंडिया जितना बड़ा नेटवर्क।
Every break re-energizes us. Just like Maruti Suzuki Ertiga's smart hybrid technology, which has the ISG motor that regenerates energy every time you brake and then assists the engine to drive the vehicle. We call it technology driving togetherness.
The Financial Advisor Award awards have grown over the years, giving opportunities to the best wealth preservers of India. Watch the Financial Advisor Awards journey so far 2016-2017. At these times only on CNBC TV 18.
Presenting sponsor UTI Mutual Fund. हक एक बेहतर जिंदगी का. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully. Powered by ICRA. ऑफिस से लेट, मैडम गुस्सा. ड्रॉप करने से पहले बस एक झप्पी की फाइल है. दादी हो या गर्लफ्रेंड, झप्पी तो झप्पी है.
दादी गर्लफ्रेंड है तेरी?
Introducing Apollo Bike Tires. Bring the thing back in your ride.
StoneX India, the world's only stone brand to put a true price tag on its marble.
Ladies and gentlemen, to felicitate and honor our jury members, I'd like to request the presence of Mr. Yogesh Mudras on stage once again. Let us also welcome Mr. Vineet Bagadia. Both of you, may I request you to please join us on stage and honor our jury member. Without their decisions, I'm sure we wouldn't have come to the conclusion of this evening.
Packaging has evolved into greater heights that we witnessed during all the entries. In fact, they are global standard and whatnot. The patient adherence, compliance, regulation, I think all the packaging, many of the entries really comply to that. It was a tough job for us to do.
And now, the moment has finally arrived. ACUPAC presents India Packaging Award 2017. And the first category that we'd like to begin with is Excellence in Packaging Machinery Manufacturers. To give away this first category of award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Ravi Uday Bhaskar once again. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as he joins us with all the good wishes and congratulations for the winners.
The Excellence in Packaging Machinery Manufacturers, ACG, Pampac Machines Private Limited.
Many, many congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. The award goes to ACG Pampac Machines Private Limited. On stage, Mr. Chakravarti, AVPS, CEO, Managing Director, EcoBless India, once again as I get set to announce the Excellence in Quality Assurance.
Excellence in Quality Assurance. The award goes to Signode India Limited.
To move to our next category, which is Excellence in Research and Development. And to present the same, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Ashok Kumar Bhattacharya, Executive Director and Country Manager at Tagera Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited.
I'm proud to announce and congratulations to Embaliso India Packaging Private Limited for this prestigious award.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Dr. Perizad El-Chandani, independent consultant with GMP and Scientific Inc. and PwC. Once again, welcoming ma'am on stage with your applauses.
Being an OTC segment, we had excellent entries and was really very difficult to judge. But ultimately, the best wins. The winner is Biomicron Pharma India Private Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, this takes us to our next category, which is Excellence in Packaging Design, or Extracts. And to present the same, I'd once again like to invite our chief guest on stage. Let's welcome Mr. Ravi Uday Bhaskar yet again, sir.
The winner is Sun Pharmaceuticals.
Let us welcome Mr. Yogesh Mudras yet again with your applauses and more as he gets set to present the award Excellence in Sustainable Packaging.
Okay, so delighted to announce this is once again the second winner, second time for the day, is Signode India Limited.
Category of the evening, Excellence in Enhanced User Experience. And which one of you wouldn't want to be a part of this?
The winner is Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited.
Thanks to UVM for conducting such a beautiful event, and this is our Cadillac and our first award for in packaging basically, and we are very much pleased for getting such a beautiful award, or prestigious award.
I think we are very proud that we won 2 awards. I think people who have worked on these projects, I think they have really put a very hard work and then lot of innovation in designing the solutions for the pharma industry.
With this award, definitely we'll get different kind of market which we were not able to enter in FMCG and CGMP kind of things, where this product will definitely hit the market.
So India Packaging Awards is a very essential for the pharmaceutical industry, because by giving these awards, it motivates all the pharmaceutical companies to encourage us to go to the global standard.
Cambaliso is a global company, but we didn't have much footprints in India. So this award will give us more opportunity to cater and get recognized in the pharmaceutical and the clinical research organizations, where our expertise of cold chain packaging can be used for handling pharmaceutical products. Yeah, thanks to UBM for this initiative of Packaging Awards. It's a very good platform to encourage the packaging spirit of India, and really exciting to get this award.